Hi guys! Yeah, I know it's been a super long time. I actually can't remember the last time I did a video for you guys. It's been a while, yeah. We're going to come back to the fish pond because obviously the pump stopped. It was only a pump for the caravan, so it wasn't going to be anything great. Mother went and bought a new pump, don't know when it arrived, and like a little filter water feature thing. But this pump here looks quite beefy and it runs for 12 volts, so it's kind of a bargain. Let's do that, don't escape. So there's the pump there. It's actually fairly weighty as well, like really heavy. And there's the details there. And of course you've got just the two wires in the end, different colours, I don't know if you can see them. But that's this one anyway. I'll turn you around so I can see you. So it shouldn't be too bad, it should be alright. For that size pond anyway. We should still be all hooked up here to the solar panels. Saying that the solar panels could do with a bit of a wash off, they would look a bit nasty to be honest. I know I've lost a solar panel on that one there. That 40 watt one. There's a 20 watt one there. The 40 watt one kind of went over there, and yeah, if you've been watching my videos, you see I replaced it with a bit of glass. That's kind of, yeah, it's not on there anymore. Yeah, I think we're still all hooked up alright here. I think. I mean, that thing, I don't think that thing works. But apparently we're due a storm, apparently. Oh, what is it today? Friday. Apparently we're due a storm soon. Mother was saying. I don't know, haven't even heard about it. Yeah, so, oh, you need to go on charge as well. Why? I haven't even used you, and I left you fully charged. I'm going to crack on that today. We're going to also clean the pond out. It's quite cold today as well, so that's going to be quite nasty to do. Oh god, I sound drunk. I'm not, I'm tired. Nothing's changed in here. Actually, it has, it's just messier. Yep. Oh, somebody tape measure. Yeah, whoever that may be. But yeah, I haven't got a tripod, so I'm gonna have to put you somewhere. I'm gonna need to get a new tripod. It's no good. The thing is with this pump is, okay, we haven't got no hose. Mother hasn't got no hose for it. I thought she did, but she hasn't. So obviously that size there, or that side, goes on the filter side of things. Okay, so that gap there, that'll go there, and this one here, screw in there. This bit here goes on there like that, and then pipe off. But the thing with this is, it's too big. One's bigger than the other, so it's going to be a case of, well, I'm probably going to have to go back to Tavi and grab some pipe to finish it off for her. I don't even know sure where the hell she wants it, because it can be kind of awkward if you want to pick that up to clean it or whatever. I don't know. But plants are slowly starting to grow again now. I mean, they were on hold for a little bit, weren't they? With the cold and stuff. This is really grown now. Like, really grown. It's gone ridiculous now. Look, especially this bit here, look at that. Look how crazy that's gone. These are looking a bit sorry for themselves. Not gonna lie. Well, I think me and Mother determined something was eating this one. But yeah, this thing that we built here, half it fell down again, because we think what happened is, even though it wasn't windy when we put it up, and when we left it, we think what happened is, where the wood was drying, it was twisting as well, so it was snapping all the screws. There's something weird about this garden and screws. proper decking screws. Take them out, they snap. This would, put them in, they snap. I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah, apparently that's what it is. But yeah, I think we're just going to crack on with this and go from there. Well guys, just got back from Tavi. It's stupid because I said to Mother yesterday when it was lovely sunny out that it's going to be crappy weather today, and so it was. Got 3 meters of tube, which is the right size. So I don't even know where I'm going to set you up yet. Yeah. Oh guys, this is going to suck on my tripod. So, guessing that one goes on there like that. I'd a guess. Yeah, I'm guessing so. So that's what it looks like on the inside, if you can see that. There is stuff that needs to go on top of this as well, stuff that obviously floating up, like stone and whatnot. Which I think Mother's just going to blag from that over there. So that is now what it looks like inside. It's not bright enough for the solar panels to produce anything, so it's just literally not going to do anything today. There you go, blag some. It's just like these. And 2 will be enough. You can see that. It's just to keep it down. Basically. Yeah, I mean, not even that one is doing anything. And that's a low wattage pump, so I need to find a way of connecting this to that pump. It works though because I connected it into the battery, so I know it does work. Oh, that's probably the best thing I'm going to get you. Right, so I'll grab this pipe from that. So yeah, if you're not quite sure how it goes, you'll go kind of, I can't see what you're doing. You'll go like that, and then pump side, which I've got here I think somewhere, yeah. So this obviously connects to the pump like that, and that goes this side. And then that's kind of like a little water feature, obviously, that runs off. And a filter at the same time somehow. I don't know how it filters as well, but it apparently does. So, whatever floats the boat. But yeah, we got 3 meters of this, which I've just picked up. And this was at Ron's Pet Supplies in Tavistock. And this is £1.50 a metre. So it was really good, actually. Really good. I don't like how it's sitting, because it seems to be a bit on the piss, doesn't it? Maybe that's how it is. Oh, I think that's maybe how it is. Could be. Right, so now I need to figure out how to connect these together, because I don't have any more connections. Yay! Fun! So it might be a case of literally tying them together and heat shrinking it. That might be the case here. Might be the only thing I can do. I can't think what else I could possibly do, to be honest, other than do that. Take this off. If it would come off, there we go. I'll grab some heat shrink and then I'll be back. Okay, problem number 2. I don't have an ear. So what, my partner's? Ah dear. So I'm just going to shave off some more of this so I actually can wrap a decent amount around. I could actually probably bring you closer, can I? I've had to put you on a box. Yay. This will only be for a temporary thing anyway. So let me grab that one and put that one around. Plant pot, so it's not too much of a mish to do it later. Shave some off this side. I could temporarily plug this into the battery to see if it works, so it's not too much of a problem. Gotta be like that, eh? I see. Got a runny nose. Yay. Good thing about 12 volt is you can run it off solar panels and 12 volt batteries, and it honestly uses no power of your home. And as long as you've got decent solar panels and maybe even a battery bank, as long as you had decent solar panels to charge it back up again with this thing still permanently running in crappy weather, you can have it anywhere. And you wouldn't need mains power. If you did need mains power, get an inverter. Sorted. Plug into the battery bank, you're good to go. No problem. Oh dear. My nose is on the run. There's that one. It's so cold today as well. Not the coldest it's been, but it is pretty damn cold. It's quite brutal on your fingers. I'm sure I can get colder yet though. So I know what you're wondering, like, oh, this mains cable. No, it's, yeah, yes, it's mains cable, but no, it's not mains powered, if that makes sense. We're running 12 volt for it and that's it. Well, actually, probably not even 12 volt through it today with the weather the way it is, so. Peel that off a bit more because it's going to be a bit of a nightmare to get around. This is only temporary anyway, guys, it's not, you know, permanent. Oh, come on. Do a layer all the way around. I should test this really first, but you know, it is what it is. YOLO. Just go for it. Just hammer it. I'm not the best taping, but I'm no tape, proper like tape skill person, what you can call it, but it's there and it's going to be alright for the minute. I'll switch it on, but I doubt we're going to hear anything. Because again, having yeah, nothing. Having nothing from the solar panel, so I'm going to wire this into the battery and then we'll be back to see if it gives us anything. Right, so now that that's done guys, I'm going to quickly put this in to see if we've got like any power whatsoever. We have, but that's noisy as hell. That's really noisy. That's going to take some juice to power. God, that is noisy. Let's put the pipe on and then oh, I thought put the end in then. Put the pipe on and see how much we're getting, shall we? Right guys, just quickly like plumbed it all in and got it done because it keeps raining on and off. So I plumbed it into the battery. That's the little thing there. It's going to go all over the place, but we need to raise it up and whatnot yet. But I'll just show you quickly. So obviously you've still got it on the switch. But we're going to raise this up and then you'll see exactly how it is. Yes, I know it's going everywhere, but that's just because I'm showing you. So it's not too bad to be honest. And it's a lot quieter than I thought it would be as well. So that's running off the battery right now. I've just brought the charge controller back over. Mother's done a crappy job at cleaning the solar panels off. Oh, blurry. Okay. Oh, what is she doing with this light? Shocking. A mess, I know. So let me quickly see what voltage we're at right now. So we're at 12.5. That's roughly where we sit at. 12.5, 12.4. And of course I can switch off from here as well, if I really wanted to. Don't know if you can hear that. So now I just need to get a lead from there down into the positive of this one and a negative from somewhere, which should probably be from this grid tie that doesn't work anymore into there. And then we're back to it charging again. So yeah, I'm going to... Mother's on the phone. So I'm going to crack on and get this all wired back up and see what's done. Right, as you can see guys, we've got all three lights. This one here is basically, Christ, can't talk, the on and off. We've got the battery and solar, which solar's not very bright as you can see, so I turn it off. It goes out. So turn it back on. So I didn't grab it from here, I grabbed it from the grid tie one. But with the weather, we're not going to be charging up that quick, to be honest. Close that up. Yeah, because we've only got 40 watts there. A little 5 watt one, which just kept it topped up. And a 100 watt one there, so it's not a lot, if that makes sense. I'll switch back on again. If it's going to work. Oh, if I switch off from the inside here. Oh, probably haven't I? I have. I was like, why is it not working? I've just had it working. God. There we go. And just like that. So I might do a bit more and install a platform there while I'm here for that to sit on, just so it's not doing that. So I'll be back in a bit. Sorry for the really crappy places of putting you guys. Not having a tripod doesn't help. So I'm literally just going to whip for this, that's all I'm doing. Not doing any more. Don't even know if my jigsaw's going to even cut through this properly, because it's got a metal blade in there. So like that, roughly something like that. Oh god, my nose is running so bad. Okay, not too bad. Bit of one, and then also I need to get some nail. Nail! Then I need to get some supports to go from there kind of up to there, sort of thing. Or just pack it out with supports, one, two. God, nails glue on that thing. Christ. Where's my little... So, I think I'm going to have to go in the middle here with this. Don't want the hammer. Don't want that. One sec, guys. 1 second. So like that. Something like that anyway. Drill's going a bit, so it's all the abuse I've given it. But to be fair, they're quite cheap to replace, so it's not too bad. I'm having troubles finding where to put you, because that may work for a little bit. Oh, why doesn't it wedge you up like that? I don't know. See if I know. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Need a spirit level. That's not a ridiculously big one either, if you've got a small one.
I did have, but there's another thing of mine that's disappeared.
You should?
No, I haven't had to find it for ages. Another one of them things the fairies walked off with.
I did have a small red one somewhere.
I had the other one.
that's full of nails. I like killed myself several times with it. Oh, thing's fudged up. Yay. Can you go have a look in there for a bit with that size please? Hi guys, sorry it's kind of finished-ish. I had to rush it because it keeps raining. It's now trying to rain again. Yeah, you can probably see it on the lens, so I don't know. It looks ugly. Anthony always does while it's still plain and not painted and no flowers and stuff around it, but that's how it's looking at the moment. It's literally as simple as that, that's all it needs. You can put plants behind it then, put plants growing up and around it and have a big one there going around it. Now this piping, what we're going to do is we're going to obviously drill a hole in there, side there, because we need to put an overflow this side. Overflow this side anyway. Going to run the pipe in underneath all that. Leave it all as 3 meters just in case, because I think Mother wants to expand the pond at some point. So I'd rather have more than too little, else you're going to end up forking out for more fuel, going back in and grabbing more, and it's not really worth it. So we're going to have the rest underneath there, and then up and out and into it. It all works. It's been run off the battery and it's been holding at 12.5 for quite a while. So let's go have a look quickly. Lovely rain. So at 12.9 now, but we are charging at the same time. So let's bring you over. So yeah, it's alright. It'd be better if it was clean, it'd be better if that had more stuff in it. But it looks like you can actually add more to this, which is quite cool. Like I was saying, they had ones that were like 2 meters long. I thought you should have come out, but obviously not really working for this size pond. For the minute, I can't remember if I told you this or not, because it's been a while since I did this one. Same in the day still. I basically had that wired in with this lot here, oh you can't see, into the charge controller, so because you can see it's done for 12.5 now. Just partly for the fact because if Mother leaves it on and she forgets to turn it off, when the battery gets too low, instead of the battery getting knackered, the grid tie will just cut it out. The grid tie, the charge controller will just cut it out, and won't have to worry about it knackering the battery up. So, but yeah, we are due a storm or something coming in soon, which I mentioned before. And yeah, apparently it's the worst one we will be seeing for quite a while. So I don't know. But I think we're pretty much done now, guys. Sorry it wasn't much, sorry I didn't do much videoing, but it keeps raining on and off, there's nothing I can do with that. If I came down yesterday, we could have had this done because it was bloody lovely weather, like absolutely lovely. Like there's a single cloud in the sky, it was spot on. But I was up with my partner, so didn't do that. Trying to think what else. I don't think there's anything else. I really don't think there is anything else, so I'm half tempted to secure them solar panels on there because I still haven't secured them down. Might be a good idea to do that. But it sucks because I've got no tripod, so it's a nightmare. But I mean, this has been running now for a little bit. Couple minutes, I'd say. And that's quite a heavy duty pump, I'd say, on that. I mean, it was heavy, really heavy, surprised. And we're at 12.5 still. This is the pump here. So it's there. Oh, I'm shaking, so I'll hold this down there and then you can pause it so if you want to read it. If you can read it with all the water on it. Motor power 45 watts. It's not too bad. Hold on. Depends what model we got here, doesn't it? What model we got? Wonder if it says on here. Don't run dry, yeah, bloody blah, whatever. Trouble, your trouble. It doesn't say what model. Okay, maybe we'll never know then. But yeah, that's the details there. So whatever. I don't want to say it's these. But then again, Christ. That's 24 volt one. 12 volt one's even higher. Either 5.4 or 7.8. Christ. Depending on the model. So it's either going to be one of these models, because these are the 12 volt ones, the other one's 24 volt ones. All the same weight, which is weird, because you'd think the more amps it takes, the bigger the thing. Right, so that's a 4 meter delivery, so it can go 4 meters high. That was 6. So it's going to be one of these, because I held it up probably 2.5 meters from it, and it wasn't struggling, but it was, if that makes sense. So I'm going to guess it's one of these. I want to say maybe this one here, from how much it's not drawing from the battery. I mean, we're still on 12.5, so yeah, I don't really know, to be honest, guys. I mean, yeah, we're still putting it in, but not enough for it to even charge it a little bit. It wouldn't even spin that thing over, not even a tad, so I doubt I'd even be able to run an LED light off that solar panels right now. But yeah, I've had to duct tape that because where we made the plastic shield to go, over it to protect the switch, I kind of cracked the case. I've got it keeps popping off now, and with this wind and stuff coming in, I don't want it to. I don't want to get water in there, which sucks. Oh, now you've got water on there. Now you got water on the lens. Yay! Yeah, it's loads better than what the other one was, I'd say. Mother was saying she paid. Right, I know, crazy, right? Try and understand this. Mother's saying she paid like £17, £18 for the pump. Okay. Paid like £19, £20 for that filter. How do you pay more for a plastic thing than you do electrical thing? How? Like, how? I don't know. I lost words. Yeah, I don't know how that was even possible, guys. I really don't. You'd pay more for something electrical, wouldn't you? More so, I'd say if it was 12 volt, I'd say, because obviously stuff that's probably in it. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's stressed. I don't know what's stressed as to why it costs less than a damn plastic thing. Oh yeah, 12.5 still, so it's not too bad. It's doing good. Not bad at all. So I'm going to leave this running for a little bit. I'm going to come back out and check it, but I'm not going to record it because no. If I remember, I can tell you. Anyway, I'll be going back up with partners soon, so I probably won't be down here for a while. I don't know. Yeah. There's literally nothing else, I don't think, so... Yay! Worked for now. How long for? Anyway guys, thanks ever so much for watching. Sorry it's been so long. It's probably going to be another long wait before I post another video. But I'll do what I can and post when I can, so please bear with me. I'm sorry. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.